Hi Year 3, I wanted to make a video for Autumn 2 Week 2, just to remind you how we do these calculations. We are going backwards. I don't really like jumping backwards. I don't mind jumping back 2, quite like that, but when the number's bigger than what I feel comfortable with, I have to partition, or I like to partition my smaller number, which is the subtrahend. So I like jumping back 2, so I say 12 take away 2, I like that, but I've got to jump back 5 in total, which means I need to make a number to go with 2 to make 5. So 2 and 3 make 5. So my first jump is going to be 12 take away 2, and in my head that will be 10. And then I've still got to take away the 3. So 10 take away 3 is 7. And today we looked at making these numbers 10 times bigger. So the answer's 10 times bigger. Okay. When you come to record these in your books, could you set them out like that? I've done the next one. I've shown my jumps, my partitioning, my thinking space, and my answer. And I've seen that the 23 becomes 230. The 8 becomes 80, and my 15 therefore becomes 150. Okay, that's one way of doing it. The next sums are a little bit harder because they're 3 digits. There are different ways of doing this, and it depends on how you see it or how you feel about it. So I will show you all 3, and you can choose. We've got a 3-digit monster, 560, take away 70. Wouldn't it be nice if it were just 60, but it's not. It's dinky old 70. So these are your options. If you wanted to, you could see the 560 as 56 tens. We had to go at this today. And you could see the 70 as just 7 tens. 56, take away 7 is, well, take away 6, take away 1. 56 take away 6 is 50, take away 1 is 49 tens. But we've got to write it as ones. At the moment that says 49 tens. If we wanted to write it as ones, it would be 490 ones. That's one way of doing it. Another way of doing it might be to use a number line. You go from 560 and you need to count back 70. Now, if I counted back 60, I'd get to 500, but I've got to count back 70, so I need to jump another 10. I've got to jump back 70, so 500 take away another 10 would be 490. And thank goodness they're the same answer. Okay, it's another way of doing it. Another way of doing it without the loopy number lines would be this. I'm going to partition my subtrahend into a 60 because I'm comfortable jumping back into a 60, but I need to put another number with 60 to jump up 70, so 10 and 60 makes 70. So I go from 560, I take away my 60, I get, what's 500 take away 60? 500, and then I've got to take away my 10, which is 490. It doesn't really matter which way you do it, so long as you get your answer right. At the end, it says make a calculation story, a story involving these numbers. So it's a takeaway, so my number's got to be smaller at the end, so here goes. I've got 560 parcels on my van. I go round a corner and 70 fly out the back door. How many parcels have I got left now? 490. Hopefully not a true story. The red questions are challenge questions. If you are struggling with this, or if your brain is beginning to melt with this, do not do the challenge questions. Only do the challenge questions if you are flying through these. Okay, thank you.